Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create text design in Canva. So let's get started. First, open Canva. You can go to the Canva website or app. Select Create a new design and open a new project. After opening a new project, change the background color to any color you like. Go to the text section and click on Add a text box. Type your desired text on your canvas and change the font as you like. Here, many options for fonts are available. Once you choose your font, change the text color to your desired color, increase its size, and center it on the canvas. Here I am choosing the italic style and will rotate the text by 10 degrees. Next, add new text. Change the font again. Change the color. And rotate it by 10 degrees as well. Place it accordingly to the previous text. Now, copy this new text, add a new page, and paste the copied text. Download this page as a PNG with a transparent background. Upload the PNG you just downloaded from the upload section. Go back to the first page and delete the original text. Use the new image, resize it, and crop the corners. Resize it to fit the page and crop the image. Duplicate the image to show different parts, placing each duplicated part appropriately to create the interlocking effect. After the text is all done with the customization, download this first page with text as a PNG with a transparent background. Next, upload this new PNG and drag the image you want to use to replace the background. Resize the image and apply a shadow effect by clicking Edit Image. Adjust the shadow by decreasing the distance and intensity slightly. And here are the final results. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.